is Isaac.
And I'm Peter.
And our project is called StanScan.
So what is StanScan, and why do we need it? In the age of cancel culture, a celebrity's past can resurface online and spark major backlash. With the internet acting as a permanent archive, it's easier than ever to uncover controversies. And supporting someone who's been canceled can reflect poorly on you. That's where StanScan comes in. For those unfamiliar, Stan essentially means to be a super fan of someone. StanScan gives you the full picture beforehand, so you're not caught off guard by a celebrity's messy past. Now let's see a demo to see how it works.
Yeah, so looking at this demo, we're met with the StanScan homepage, and we can search for any celebrity. In this case, it'll be Will Smith. So looking at Will Smith's page, he has his important information, his bio, and his public sentiment grade, which is a formula based off of the public sentiment score from news articles written about Will Smith. In this graph, we have his public sentiment versus his popularity score, with the popularity being gathered from Google Trends data. We see high points and we also see low points, as in when Will Smith was responsible for the Chris Rock slap, and we see his popularity also surge during that time, and then we can also link to his recovery in public sentiment after the slap. We see his affiliated public figures and his most positive moments, most negative moments, and his most recent moments all on this dashboard, which also links to the articles. We can also search for other popular celebrities like Donald Trump to look at their public perception score, and also more popular celebrities like Taylor Swift, who has a higher public perception score.
Yeah, so to implement our webpage, we first had to gather celebrity information. So for basic celebrity details such as their birthday, age, and occupation, we used a celebrity API from API Ninjas. And for their short description, as well as their users also search for section, we web scraped using Beautiful Soup from famousbirthdays.com.
Yeah, to extract public sentiment, we use the Google Search API, and we created this systematically created data set, which has over 3,000 articles pointing to a celebrity and that article's release date in a year, so that we can get their sentiment at that point in time. We then had to use a distilled-BERT transformer model pre-trained on sentiment analysis data to gather sentiment analysis scores for each celebrity at each year. And these were then visualized against the celebrity's Google search trend to see their relationship.
Now moving forward, although it's expansive enough, we want to expand our data set to include additional metrics like social media platforms and such to provide a more accurate public sentiment analysis. We also plan to make this service available to marketing teams to give them an insight on a celebrity's history before potentially partnering with them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.